So, cocoa chow, is it good?
So we're gonna
Have you
visit
tried it?
I haven't tried.
Okay, well I want to try it.
what else we got here.
No, I'll
Oh, you can try it.
Cocoa development company.
Hi guys, today I'm going to share with you all my recipe for cocoa chow, which I had last year at the Grand Vancouver at their cocoa festival. So to make this popular Trini chow, you're going to need one cocoa pod, or you can use more than one if you like, but today I'm going to be using one cocoa pod. If you're living in Florida, you can find this cocoa at Foodtown supermarkets, both in Davie and Palm Beach. So to open the pod, all you have to do is take a really sharp knife and cut it in half. When you do that, you'll see all of the cocoa in there. Now all we're going to be doing is scooping out the insides, placing it into a big bowl. We're going in with some blended bandania or culantro, some hot pepper finely chopped, some black pepper, and some ketchup. Now ketchup is my favorite ingredient to put when making chow. I'm also going to go in with salt to taste, and all you have to do is mix to combine. This is ready to be eaten. This is so delicious. Now this is a very little bit. You can make as much or as little as you like. To eat this, you're going to be sucking the white part of the cocoa off, and that's how you eat it. You can save the seeds and dry it and grind it to make chocolate if you like. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's recipe. Please remember to make it, let me know what you think, and make sure and check out the Cocoa Festival this year. They have some really delicious items down there. Everything is made with cocoa, even the food like doubles and stew chicken. So I had a really great time and I can't wait to visit again.